Ha. Okay. So this one is ha. Ha. And this one is also ha. How can two different letters both be ha? They look different. Do they sound different? Eh, they sound exactly the same to me. I've been stuck on these two letters for a week. Everyone says just practice. But how? I can't even hear the difference. Maybe I should give up on Arabic. Stop! Don't dare give up. You are about to discover secrets. I believe nobody taught you the secrets. They are not two ehs. They are a magic pair. The magic pair? Yes, and in the next minutes you will master both sounds, understand why they are different and speak them like a native. Ready? Ready, yalla! This video is for people learning Arabic in real life. Don't forget to turn on English subtitles. Then let's unlock the magic pair. Everyone says and eh. That's like saying tiger is cat and lion is cat. Same family, different sounds. We start with the easier one first. Ha, to build your confidence. Then we conquer ha. How to make ha? Let me blow your mind with the truth. Nina, your throat is not just one place. It's like a musical instrument with different zones. The letter ha is made here, in your larynx, your voice box. It's soft, gentle, breathy, like English. Ha, h, but even softer. It's like a whisper from your soul. And now, here is the Bulbul method for ha, the gentle breeze. Imagine you just finished a long, exhausting day. You finally sit down on your couch, relax, and let out a big relieved sigh. Yes, that's almost it. But make it even softer, more breathy, like you are fogging up a mirror gently. Perfect, that's it. It's just breathe with a tiny bit of friction from your voice box. Not harsh, not forced, just gentle. Yes, gentle, airy, no throat tension. Now try this. Whisper the word hello, but make the H super soft and breathy. Hello, hello. Beautiful. That beginning sound, that's ha. Let's practice it alone. Ha, ha. Excellent! You just spoke your first Arabic sound. Now, let's use ha in real Arabic words. 3 beautiful words. Ha, hawa, 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 air. Here, huna, huna. Easy, sahl, sahl. Ha, ha, wa. Ha, ha, huna, huna. Here, huna. Sahl, easy. Sahl, sahl. All soft, no throat squeeze. Perfect, you have mastered ha, but now comes to the challenge, the letter that everyone fears. Ha, ha. This sound doesn't exist in English. This is what makes Arabic sound Arabic ha. Then, I will master it how? With the Bulbul method, 3 magical steps. Imagine you are in a cozy cafe on a freezing winter day. A barista brings you the hottest cup of coffee you have ever seen. Steam rising, the cup almost burns your hands. You lift the cup to your lips. You are so thirsty, but it's too hot to drink. So you need to cool it down. Blow on it gently. But here is the key. Blow from the deep in your throat. not from your mouth, like the cooling breath is coming from your core. Yes, did you feel that? Not from your mouth, from deeper. I felt it. It was like lower, more in my throat. Exactly. That's your pharynx. You just made ha. Now let's refine it. Let's use the ancient test used for over years to check ha pronunciation. First, say English H, like hello, right into the mirror. See, fog, because the air comes from your mouth. But now, make the ha sound from your throat. Because the air comes from deeper, your pharynx, not from your mouth, when the mirror stays clear, you know you are doing ha correctly. Fog. Ha. Clear, no fog. This is genius. When the mirror stays clear, you know you are doing ha correctly. Final step, feel the hug. When you make ha, your pharyngeal muscles gently squeeze the air. Put your hand on your throat and make the sound. Ha. I can feel it, like my throat is hugging the sound. Yes, that gentle squeeze, that warmth, that's the magic of ha. You have unlocked it. Now let's use ha in 4 powerful Arabic words. Hub, love, hub, life, hayat, haya, morning, sabah, Muhammad. Okay. Hub, love is hub, life is hayat, morning is sabah, Muhammad is Muhammad. Perfect. Ha from your throat, warm like love itself. Incredible, you just mastered ha. Final test, a sentence using both ha and ha. هذا حلم حلو. هذا حلم حلو. This is a sweet dream. Can you do it? هذا حلم حلو. هذا حلم حلو. هذا حلم حلو. I did it. Magnificent. Every ha was soft. Every ha was from the throat. You did it. Next episode will be the sound learners foremost. A and Ain. I survived this. I'm ready. Well, I guess I better practice. And you should too. Try the mirror test. It really works. Comment below. Did ha or ha feel easier for you? And don't forget to like and subscribe.